Hello folks, this is YouTube. You should miss the video, dude. 709 here. Back to you with another video. So right now I'm in Emma's Beach, Newfoundland. As you can see, we're having a bit of rain. Yep. As you can see, the clouds we got a bit of black clouds over here. Yep. And this appears rain clouds now. Yep. Pretty cool. There's calling on over there. There is the place Bay area. Yep. Yep. It is really over here too, guys. Yep. Yep. I think it'll be pouring with later, everybody. Yep. So sorry, I did a review earlier, but I was just too busy. Yep. Luckily, there'll be a review in this Monday show, which means the Gander road trip. I was taking the Gander to Gander. Yep. So guys, I hope you guys like this quick video, and please stay tuned for some videos coming up very soon. And stay tuned for the Gander road trip, everybody. And Barry, thank you for giving me 600 subscribers up on YouTube. Yep. And the guys that we have now. Peace. Bye.